Huh?
Hey, Brian.
Hey, what?
What are we doing?
Oh, we're doing one-legged, three-pedal things.
Yeah.
Again.
So, we're going to show you guys how we do this. Alright, so Brian's in reverse. Slowly working it out. We are moving.
Electronic throttle makes this easy.
So this is what you guys wanted to see. First gear. And then
it is a neighborhood. We can't mob all the streets. We have to be nice. But no, this one car's great.
So like I said, guys, Brian is actually driving this. So we're coming up to a stop sign. Slowing down. He's braking.
These brakes are way touchier than my car.
Yeah, way touchy brakes on this car.
Way touchier than my car.
So.
You
good. With this car. Hold on. Alright. Here we go. From a stop sign. Brian works it out. Moves to the gas. Moves over.
Now we've got a little more room before we get to a... Wait.
Now this is on a hill.
Oh yeah,
Electronic
throttle is doing its thing.
No, guys, that was literally on a hill. All right, so that's how Brian drives a manual car.